walking around my house and being like, saying, Jamafina, Jamafina.
Oh yeah, all the night, Jamalafna, right?
Yes, yes.
Hey everybody.
Hello.
Hi from Casablanca. I thought that Morocco and Casablanca must ring a bell for all of you from all over the world. So I chose to start with a little view on the big mosque.
Okay, sure, I'm ready. So I'm ready from the landmark of Marrakesh. I'm ready from the Red City. I'm ready from the almost 1,000 years of history. So this is Marrakesh, the 4th largest city in Morocco.
Yes. Hey, person in the car.
Yes, I'm sorry. I just want to.
Careful! Oh my God!
Yes, I'm crossing I'm crossing the street. I'm sorry. I'm crossing the street to the square.
Okay.
I just want to give
Wait
you.
for a red light.
Well, I will show you a Riyadh where I am, which is a special household where normal local people live. So now we're pouring our tea, and there is this very, very special way to pour it into the glasses. And the higher we pour our tea into our glasses, the more our guests are welcome. So as you can see, you are very, very welcomed into Marrakesh, into our houses.
Yes, well, Balloon is not a festival, but we are here for 30 years, operating every morning, flying 350 days a year, which is really the highest number possible in the world. It's a good spot.
Kiss from the desert!
This might be my favorite one yet. This is gonna be
crying already.
Rashid is living his best life, you guys.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah.
Okay, 3 minutes. Look at it.
Aywa!
Hey.
Yalla!
Yalla. Hi again.
Yes, I'm in old Medina right now. You can see the alleyway. So I'm inside. It's almost in the heart of the Medina of Marrakesh. And in front of me over there, you see the furniture, the next place I'm going to explain about. So the tangia, to prepare the tangia here in Marrakesh, you need first the kalosha, the pot. So the pot is very important. So this is the kalosha. And inside it, there are a lot of ingredients. Meats, saffron, stamens, preserved lemon, preserved butter, garlic, and of course, some spices like salt and so. And you can see the gentleman. This is the gentleman here in front of us, where the gentleman who he's always making the.
Oh wow! Look how welcome we are.
Yeah, this is the way.
Hi.
Hello.
Yes. Hi.
How are you doing? Welcome to my office. This plateau, we call it Tidley, and as you see some rocks, all of them are glacier rocks.
Is that a donkey?
Yeah, this is our mule, yes.
Look at that.
So we provide with wood.
Wow. Oh, you're super welcome. Look at that.
Yeah, we are most welcome to the High Atlas. So cheers.
Hi! Hi, everybody! So, I'm in Agafay Desert. It's about 40 minutes from the city center, Marrakesh. As you see, I'm wearing a nomad dress, Sahara nomad dress. I want to present you my friend, Hanafi. Hanafi, be kind.
Hey, give me a kiss.
Okay. Here we are. Hello. Let's visit the camp.
He doesn't look like he wants to go.
Hanafi, come on. So here we have a lounge where we can relax, read a book, or just enjoy our time. It's always a very lifestyle, chic and comfortable.
My kind of camping.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, look at this door.
Let's open the door.
Whoa!
Here we are.
Did not expect that. It's incredible. Amazing. Thank you so much, Rashid. That was so great.
Kiss from Marrakesh.
I love you. Thank you.